In this video, we're going to convert this simple basic WordPress installation that we have into an e-commerce shopping cart. So what you need to do is go into the dashboard of your WordPress site, and at this point you obviously should have picked which niche you want to go after, what products you want to cover, you have your domain picked out, you have this all hosted, and at this point of the process we should have configured our WordPress with the plugins and with the right settings and making WordPress out of the box ready to go. So we're ready to install WooCommerce. So what you need to do, again, go to your dashboard, and I'm going to click on dashboard down here and go over to plugins on the left hand side. So I'm going to choose plugins, and I want to go up here to add new, and simply click on that. You could also access the add new from down here on the left hand side as well. Where it says search plugins, just like when we looked for the Yoast SEO plugin or the other Google XML sitemap plugin, you do the same thing here. So we're going to do a quick search for this particular plugin. So we're going to call this WooCommerce. WooCommerce, that's the plugin we want. And you want to look for this one with over 5 million downloads. And it is put out by Woo Themes. That is the creator of this. Woo Themes actually does cool looking WordPress themes and those types of items, and so that's what Woo Themes does, and so they're actually the ones that put out WooCommerce. So you know you're on the right one when you see Woo Themes right there. So what you want to do is come down here, click on the Install Now button, Install Now on the right hand side, or if you would also like, you could click Install right here, and it's going to ask if you want to install that plugin. It's going to take it just a moment. It's a pretty large plugin, and you just need to choose Activate Plugin, and we'll let that do its thing. And so now on the left hand side here we see a tab open up that says WooCommerce. So now it's going to take us through steps to getting this site set up the right way. So that's how you install the WooCommerce plugin. And now what I'm going to do is take you through the process of getting your WooCommerce site set up from start to finish.